Better event match quality means events are more likely to match to Meta Ads account. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to improve the event match quality for Facebook Pixel Conversion API. So without further ado, let's begin learning. To get started, first you have to create a custom HTML tag. Then you have to push the user information on local storage by set item, and I added the user information parameter to this custom HTML tag. Then after the push this custom HTML tag, then you have to collect the user information from local storage to on Google Tag Manager by using the variable parameter. And if I show you, you can see I have put the user information here, and here is the showing the first name, last name, email. Here is the city, country, and your parameters will be more. Now let's pull the user information from local storage to by using the variable. Then you have to send this information to with every events, because you know someone when comes to your website, they visit the any product page, like any single product page, but they are not entered their information like the email, phone number or other details. That's why we are not getting the user information. And to improve the event match quality, we have to send the user information to with every events. When someone made a purchase to your website, then visited any other single product, then the user information will be shown to on the Facebook Event Manager. Now let's do this. To collect the user information from the local storage, go to the variable section. Then you have to create a new variables. The variables will be the custom JavaScript. Then you have to paste this code, and then you have to replace with this your the current variables. Like I want to create for the email variables. That's why I add a email. Now let's save this. You can enter here any name. I would like to use this name to local storage by email. Then I'll select the save. I have created to record the variables to get the user information from local storage. And if I show you, I created it for city, and you can see here is I to get the get item to city, and you have to create the local storage variable this way. Now let's set up the user information to with all events. Now go to the tag section. First, I want to send the user information with the Facebook Pixel, the browser site. Now if I select the Facebook Pixel browser site all pages tags, then it's required to select the customer information data parameter. Then you have to add some parameter, and then select the city, then select the country. You have to edit your the required parameters. And then you have to edit the city. Already I added city, and with per country I added the required parameters to match, and then select the save. To send the user information parameters with the conversion API tags, to add the some parameters and then copy this information to this document, and you have to paste it here, this the user information like this way. Now you have to edit the required parameters field. The parameters name will be the local storage email, and the secondary parameters will be the number, first name, last name, country, city, postcode. I added the required parameters to for page view event, then select the save. Also I added for the view item and for other events, because the user information parameter add is process is same, and I added the here is the email, first name, last name, country, etc. Then select the submit. Enter here any version name. Now let's test our setup by using the preview mode. Now if I select any single product page, and if I go to the tag assistant preview mode, if I select the view item event, then you can see showing the user information parameter. You can see here is the city, the country, email, first name, last name. It is a not zip showing because I think here is the issue some the variable setup. Now if I select the for the conversion API or server side tag, and you can see here is also here is showing the user parameters for the view items, right? If I select the Facebook Pixel helper and select the view item, you can see here is the country name, sending to on Facebook Event Manager using hash. Here is the city, email, first name, last name, everything is perfectly working. Now if I go to the event manager, just we have to wait to receiving the some events. After wait a minute, you can see the event manager is collecting the events from the website, and here is showing the with deduplicated. Now if I select the any page view event, the browser site, you can see page view event is collecting the user information from the local storage, Here is showing the city, email, first name, the IP address, the last name, country. And if I also select the page view event for the server tag, you can see here it's showing the perfectly the user information. And if I select the view item, you can see it's receiving. Now let's make some other events, and now let's create a purchase. I made a purchase. Now if I go to the tag assistant preview section, here is the purchase event is fired. And if I select the Facebook pixel, you can see here is the user information here is showing on the advanced matching. And also if I select the GA4 event, this is for the G, and here is the user information is perfectly sending to on events manager. And now if I show you the local storage, and you can see here is the store the user information on local storage to Google Tag Manager. Here is the showing the perfectly. Now if I go to the events manager, and here is showing the purchase event, and you can see here is everything is collecting from the website. Now if I go to the overview, and you can see here is the page view showing the 4.4 and the viewer content and other events is not showing because this is my testing purpose website. That's why here is the not the more purchase available. That's why here is not showing the event match quality. And if I show you the event quality, and when it will collect the user information from properly with the other events like view content, page view or add to cart, the everything will be show the here is showing the percentage is 100%. It will show for the other events. Then your event match quality will be improved. You have to wait some days to collect the user information from your website, but it will be improved. Don't worry about this. And that's it, my today's video to improve the event match quality for pixel conversion API. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment or send me an email. Thanks again.